Hello all, welcome to another unboxing. So this time it's the stereo headset, wireless Bluetooth stereo headset WH-CH510. So this does not have any aptX or any other codec. It barely has this SBC codec. I think I need not cut open the seal. Okay, this itself is good. Don't need that knife. Okay. Type-C charging cable. Nothing else in the box. No, nothing else. So wireless stereo headset user manual, blah blah blah, pairing and all, made in Vietnam. Okay, let's keep it like this. These are quick instructions, quick setup, assembly and setup instructions. Okay, so this and this. Alright, there's supposed to be some app as well for this one. Okay, cool. Let's look at the headset itself. So comes packaged like this. So this is over the ear. Nice. Plasticky build, but I guess for the price at which you get this, it's quite nice. I'll power it up, listen to it, and post my feedback in the description section. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.